Hello everyone and welcome to our channel The Car News, the channel where we dive into the latest and most exciting automotive marvels. Today we're reviewing a car that's not just a machine but a statement on wheels, the 2024 ErreErre's Furioserie. If you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more latest updates on automotive world. I always appreciate your support. In a world where cars are more than just transport, ErreErre's has sculpted a masterpiece. The Furioserie, a rebodied Alfa Romeo, is a nod to the past with a heart racing towards the future. Under the hood lies a beast, a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, tuned to perfection to deliver a staggering 562 bhp. And for the purists, there's a whisper that a 6-speed manual transmission might just make an appearance. ErreErre's didn't just stop at performance. They've reimagined the Giulia Quadrifoglio's curves into a straight, square-cut finish, with a roofline spoiler adding a final touch to the all-carbon exterior. Strap in and feel the difference. With Bilstein suspension and a Capristo exhaust, the Furioserie promises a driving experience that's as raw as it is refined. Scene 5 conclusion: the car speeds away into the horizon. Voice over: the 2024 ErreErre's Furioserie is not just a car, it's a statement. It's a tribute to the Alfa Romeo legacy, redefined for the modern era. Other changes over a not-at-all regular Giulia Quadrifoglio includes Bilstein suspension and a Capristo exhaust, both tailored specifically for this car. And now, having racked up over 100,000 test kilometers in the pictured prototype, Rebodied is well placed to explain just how these changes have moved the Furioserie on from the standard car. It's pretty different to the Quadrifoglio. It's got even more power than the hardcore GTAM, and alongside the new suspension and carbon ceramic brakes, it feels much flatter around the corners. But why, of all cars, has Rebodied chosen to overhaul one of the modern super saloon greats? When we decided we were making a Restomod, it was agreed we should use a donor car from the present day so we didn't have to worry about performance, safety, and so on. And then when we decided it was to be a saloon, the Quadrifoglio felt like a natural choice. The ErreErre's Furioserie is a bold reinterpretation of the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. It's a car that respects its roots while breaking new ground. With its powerful engine and potential manual gearbox, it's set to offer an exhilarating driving experience that's hard to find in today's market. The design may be polarizing, but it's undeniably unique, setting it apart from the sea of super saloons. This car isn't just a mode of transport, it's a piece of automotive art that's sure to turn heads and stir souls. I hope this video has been very helpful for you. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more latest updates on automotive world. Thanks for watching this video.